When homeowners think about upgrading their windows, energy efficiency and appearance are often the first benefits that come to mind. However, one of the most important, and often overlooked, advantages of replacement windows is their ability to improve indoor air quality. For residents in Baytown, where heat, humidity, and outdoor pollutants can affect your living environment, installing new windows can make a noticeable difference in the air you breathe every day. One of the primary ways replacement windows support better indoor air quality is by reducing air leaks. Older windows often develop gaps, cracks, or worn seals that allow outside air to enter your home. This air can carry dust, pollen, and other allergens that negatively impact your indoor environment. Modern replacement windows are designed with tight seals and advanced weather stripping, helping keep unwanted outdoor pollutants out while maintaining cleaner indoor air. Another key benefit is improved ventilation control. Many replacement window styles, such as casement or sliding windows, are designed to open more easily and efficiently than older models. This allows you to bring in fresh air when needed without compromising comfort. Proper ventilation helps remove stale indoor air, cooking odors, and airborne contaminants, creating a healthier and more refreshing living space. In Baytown's humid climate, moisture control is essential for maintaining good indoor air quality. Excess humidity can lead to mold and mildew growth, which can affect both your home's structure and your health. Older windows with poor insulation or broken seals can allow moisture to build up inside your home. Replacement windows help prevent this by providing better insulation and tighter sealing, reducing the chances of condensation and moisture intrusion. Modern replacement windows also feature advanced glass technologies that contribute to a healthier indoor environment. Many include low emissivity coatings that help regulate indoor temperatures while still allowing natural light to enter. By maintaining a more stable indoor climate, these windows reduce the likelihood of damp conditions that can encourage mold growth. Another advantage is the ability to filter out outdoor pollutants more effectively. While no window can completely block all airborne particles, high-quality replacement windows significantly reduce the amount of dust, dirt, and debris entering your home. This is especially important for households with allergy sufferers or respiratory sensitivities, as cleaner indoor air can lead to improved comfort and well-being. Replacement windows can also help eliminate condensation issues that are common with older units. When seals fail, moisture can form between panes or on interior surfaces, creating an environment where mold and bacteria can thrive. New windows are designed to prevent these problems, helping maintain a dry and healthy indoor space. In addition to improving air quality, replacement windows contribute to a more comfortable living environment. By reducing drafts and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, they help your HVAC system operate more efficiently. This improved efficiency supports better air circulation throughout your home, which plays a role in maintaining cleaner air. Ease of maintenance is another factor that supports better indoor air quality. Older windows can accumulate dirt and debris in hard-to-clean areas, while newer designs are often easier to maintain. Clean windows and frames reduce the buildup of dust and allergens, contributing to a healthier home overall. For homeowners in Baytown, the benefits of replacement windows go beyond comfort and energy savings. They play a direct role in creating a cleaner, healthier indoor environment by reducing pollutants, controlling moisture, and improving ventilation. These improvements can make a noticeable difference in your daily quality of life. Ultimately, upgrading to replacement windows is an investment not only in your home's performance but also in your well-being. With better air quality, improved comfort, and long-term durability, new windows help create a living space that feels as good as it looks. If you're considering a home upgrade, replacement windows offer a practical solution that delivers benefits you can truly breathe easier about.